Imagine this: one detail, and your ordinary yard becomes a place where guests pull out their phones for photos. In just a minute, you'll discover 100 ideas your neighbors haven't even heard of yet. Be the first to bring them to life. This type of platform is easy to build from wooden boards. It serves as a bench and instantly makes the center of the yard more memorable. Handmade sheep figures bring life to the yard without taking up much space and delight children. The diagonal pattern adds depth, while the light wall enhances the contrast of the leaves and brightens the corner. The warm tone of the steel pairs beautifully with greenery and does not require painting or complex maintenance. This mix of materials is inexpensive and drains well, so puddles do not linger. A mini desert garden by the house requires almost no water and looks exotic against traditional plantings. This corner can be assembled from simple materials, creating the atmosphere of an old garden without major expense. The frame creates the illusion of a portal, and the shelf beneath it becomes a stage for many compositions. A glass sphere catches sunlight reflections and adds a sense of lightness to the fountain. A dry creek visually elongates the yard and directs the eye toward the trees. The blocks are assembled without mortar, making the fire pit easy to dismantle or reposition. The wood slices are arranged in a circle, forming a natural bench that can be expanded with additional elements.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.